Hey my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Elaine and today I'm actually going to accept MAC challenge, doing full face makeup using MAC products only. And I wanted to keep this video super nice and short because we all know MAC Cosmetics really well. We all know how good their products are. So I just wanted to quickly show you the look I came up using some of my favorite MAC Cosmetics product and some of my all-time favorites actually, especially the Studio Fix powder and the MAC Cosmetics skin finish. Oh my god, I used to be obsessed with their skin finish and I'm still obsessed but I haven't used it for a very long time, and it was really nice to get this out of my collection and just put it on again, and I just literally fell in love with this particular product from MAC all over again. Used a really nice basic eyeshadow palette from MAC to create this nice everyday kind of eye look. You can use this as a daytime or evening time, and again I absolutely love everything from MAC, so it was super duper nice to just do this look. I love MAC lip liner in shade Whirl. It's my must-have shade. I cannot go without it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this look and a quick tutorial, and shall see you guys very soon. Bye. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Take care. Bye bye.